Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. I'm sorry it's night time, but I've just done a quiz and I had some beers. Oh shit, my laptop's bright. So I thought I would come on and unbox something that I am ridiculously excited about. It is Box of Goth, and I'm always excited to open Box of Goth because it's always awesome. However, this month I am even more excited because I'm in it. I'm in it. One of my cards is in it, and I'm just very excited. So, Box of Goth, for those of you that don't know, is a monthly subscription box of gothic type goodies. There is a different theme every month. We've had Kings of Horror, Queens of Horror, the Addams Family, the Black Box, Bats, loads and loads of different ones. This month's theme is the Sad Goth, and it is the return of the big boxes. The big boxes. And something in here smells incredible. Like, I could smell it through the packaging earlier on. I made Ben smell it. It smells so good. And yeah, I'm just very excited. So we're gonna get into it. I don't want to break the box, but I am impaired to open it because I've had beer. Oh dear me. We're in. Oh my goodness, look. So this is the box. What smells so good? If I can't eat you, I'm gonna be sad because you smell yummy. Okay, so yeah, it's the Sad Goth box, and I've literally got no idea what else is in here, so we're just gonna jump in. So the first thing is a lipstick, and it's a, is it Folly Fire? Never Cave. Is it Folly Fire? I think so. Creamy matte lipstick. I'm not gonna put this on now because I've got a cold sore, which is why my lip looks funny. But this packaging is beautiful, look. Oh, it's pretty. Oh my god, it's the most beautiful green. Look at that. That is so nice. I'm very excited to wear that. Lolly stuff. This has been sent to me for free from Box of Goth. I just have to do the little disclaimer. Next up, we've got a soap. This is a little heart soap. A little beautiful heart soap. There should be a little thingy in here, let me find it, which will tell us what we've got. Ooh. We've got some wormies. We have got, let me get off there. We've got some badges. These are mood picker badges. Oh, I love these, look. Whether we're happy or sad. I love that. There's a little necklace. All my jewellery is from Box of Goth. Oh, I love this. Look. Look at that. I'll put all the links for everything down below. And I think I do have a discount code, which I'll also put below for you guys. That is so cute. I love that. We've got a little notebook of mood musings. Super cute. Just a little notepad. Are you what I can smell? You might be what I can smell. Sandalwood incense sticks. I'm obsessed with like incense sticks and incense cones. I got some incense cones a few months ago in Box of Goth. I think it was in the witches one, and they were like frankincense, and oh my god, they just smell amazing. That is what my house smells like all the time now because it's just so nice. So I'm excited to use those. Dun, 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 dun. Sandalwood incense are often used to create a comforting and peaceful environment to help with relieving symptoms of depression. It also helps to enhance your self-esteem and bring peace to your well-being, your mental well-being. So that's nice. There is a little, what are you? It says hang in there, extra gift for the back box delay last month. What are you? What is this? Oh my goodness, what are you? Oh my goodness, look at these earrings. Oh my goodness, one of my eldest is 5 and she is gonna crap her pants when she sees these. She loves bats. She's not got her ears pierced, so these are mine. How cool are they? They're like glittery. Get off. They're glittery and they are beautiful. Let me see if I can find an ear hole. There's one. Oh, I love them. I love them. We came second in the quiz for anybody that was wondering. It was hard. And Fox cried and had to come downstairs and do the quiz with us. I love them. Okay. Okay, here's the little thingy that says, so the Never Cave lipstick is by Folly Fire. We've got a little sweetie, a little heart, ooh, a little heart sweetie. Who are the earrings by? I don't know. We've got a Never Give Up sticker. I love that, look. Never give up. Earthwicks, what are you? This is what I can smell. What are you? Look after your head. No, this is... Oh, Gothwicks, not Earthwicks. Wax melts. These just smell incredible. Oh my goodness. I don't know what flavour it is, but it smells so good. It says do not eat. So you put these in a wax melt. Oh, it's a brain. Look. Can you see? It's a little brain. That is amazing. This literally smells, I do want to lick it. It smells so good. I'm not going to lick it, but it smells amazing. So you either get berries and melon or orange and cinnamon. What have I got? I think berries and melon. I don't know. Whatever it is, it smells amazing. It smells absolutely delicious. And then, what have we got here? We've got a little scroll. I've got so many little bits of artwork from Box of Goth that I've framed. Oh, look at this. Chemical Feelings. There's another one that will get framed. So pretty. Who is this by? Chemical Feelings print by Sin the Art. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. If it's their Instagram handle, I'll pop everything on the screen so you can see it and you can follow if you want. Got my card. So this is my card that I did for Box of Goth. It says fuck depression and there's a little spider and he says hang in there. But that is my card. I'm very excited. That is what I did. These are sunflower seeds and it says plant these sunflower seeds in support of the growth of mental health awareness. We all deserve sunshine in our lives. That's lovely. That's really sweet. So little sunflower seeds. And we've got a little you got this little card, and then Sunflower Dreams by Violet Vixen, and it says April showers bring May flowers, but how do you weather the storm when the torrential downpour becomes too much to endure and darkness feels like the norm? Just trust that you'll bloom once you get through the gloom, because the clouds will go away. You'll bask in the sun after the battle is well won, elated to face another day. That's lovely, because I think we've all had shit days like that. These are so lovely. So that is the Sad Goth box from Box of Goth. I am so honoured and just over the moon to be part of this box. Not just because it's Box of Goth, who I absolutely love. Nikki and Lucy are just incredible. But also the theme of this box, the mental health awareness, I think is a super, super important thing. So yeah, I hope you like it. I hope you like these kind of videos. If you do, please give them a big thumbs up. I will leave a box of Goth's Instagram links and website and everything down below for you guys if you want to check them out and have a look at getting yourself a box. Everything you need to know will be down below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye guys. Sorry, I'm drunk.